Hi tubers and tubettes, Bleachedpc here. Thought I'd do something a little different, maybe some food reviews, because all I do is eat stuff. So today, I'm reviewing Quaker Oat yogurt bars, and these are the strawberry ones. I also had the blueberry. I'll be doing those in a different day. This is what they look like when you take them out of the wrapper. Just gonna bite into it right now. Yeah, it's very good. Nom, nom. I really like these. I should talk with my food in my mouth, but yeah. I eat these in the morning for my breakfast, 2 of these just to get going. Because, yeah, just easier than having a bowl of cereal. I still eat cereal though. Yeah, these are pretty good. Really good. I had coupons to get these, that's why I got them, so really worked out well. They're really good, so go to your market and pick them up. You won't be disappointed. Take care, guys. Bye.